There are fears some exporters will struggle to remain viable after the scrapping of another shipping service out of Tasmania. Agility Shipping is axing its run from Bell Bay to Melbourne, forcing companies to transport their freight to ports in Burnie or Devonport.
This busy port in northern Tasmania is about to lose a vital link to valuable export markets. Agility Shipping is stopping its container freight service from Bell Bay to Melbourne.
It's going to make a huge impact on the viability of industry.
The last thing it needs under a Labor government is for Bell Bay to become a ghost port.
More than a dozen exporters use the service. Rio Tinto Alcan has described Agility's withdrawal as disappointing and says the service has been important to the way we do business. We're now working to find alternative arrangements for shipping aluminium.
The market predicts where certain products will move in and out of Tasmania.
Affected exporters will now be forced to send their freight to Burnie or Devonport, putting an estimated 500 extra containers a week onto roads and pushing up costs.
The estimated figure is around about $300 to $400 a container extra.
That inevitably leads to a downturn of business and closure of businesses.
The move has cast doubt over the government's long-term plans to redevelop the port.
We're aware that a number of companies were looking at relocating into the Bell Bay area. Now they're actually reconsidering.
We're still committed to the $150 million development of the Bell Bay site through Infrastructure Australia.
Why would they spend millions on a port that simply has no ships?
But Toll Shipping is considering picking up the slack, and a meeting is planned for next Tuesday.
To try and get at least one ship a week into the port.
Offering some hope for exporters. Brad Markham, ABC News.